Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Gemini AI. So, in order to activate Gemini AI, you will need to have a Google account and access to a Google product that supports it. Here are some popular ways to use Gemini AI. The first one is Google Search. Gemini AI is integrated into Google Search. Simply navigate to your Google application, go to the search bar, type in anything you want. So simply search for something and you may see responses generated by Gemini. Now, second one is Google Assistant. Gemini AI is also available on devices with Google Assistant. You can ask questions or make questions using your voice. Simply place your mouth near your mobile phone and say, "Okay Google." And this will instantly open up your Google Assistant where you can use Gemini pretty easily. Now the third way is Google Workspace. For businesses, Gemini AI is available in Google Workspace products like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. This can help with tasks like writing, emails, creating documents, and analyzing data. Now another way to activate Gemini is simply going to the Play Store, clicking on the search icon and searching for Gemini AI, then navigate to Google Gemini, click on the open button. It will instantly open up Gemini AI. So, if you have a Google account, Gemini AI should be automatically available to you in these products. However, the specific feature and capabilities may vary depending on your location and the product you are using. So that's how you activate Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.